Dude, so I was in line at Panera. I'm just trying to get a bagel, you know. I've had a rough day. I just need my cinnamon sugar bagel, and I'm trying to hang out.
Bro, why were you even at Panera?
Because they have the cinnamon sugar bagel.
Bro, Panera's big whackness.
Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm in line to get my bagel.
Okay.
And you know, there's like a family there, and I swear to God, they go over like every single thing on the menu. They're like, "Oh, what is that? What is your sandwich?"
And?
So you know, I'm waiting. I'm chilling. I'm there for like, wait, what's that?
Oh, you're kidding me. You're...
Guys, it's me.
Oh no.
Oh my, guys, that's so crazy. We saw it, guys. We could do a nature vlog. I'm here for a nature vlog. We can do one together.
Well, I
Do a nature vlog.
I really don't want to do this.
God. That's. Oh, I'll just park.
Okay. Yeah, park.
Cut.
Oh, what's up, guys? What's up?
hey,
What's up?
what's up, Rick?
No. I'm recovering neckbeard. That's my thing. That's
What's going on? Recovering beard?
dude, I'm about to do a nature vlog. Y'all want to link up and create?
No, man.
We're already
We kind of gotta go do a thing.
we're already lonked up though.
No, but like we're actually about to.
No, but we're lonked up, so we should create.
Okay.
Here, no, just let me put on my shoes. Just
Okay.
Just be quick
what-
about it, like,
yeah,
honestly.
Yeah, whatever.
We're trying to go.
hold on. I gotta sit down.
Being quick, like, we're trying to, go. Alright. Maybe you use both hands. Like,
No, I can't. Well, I have my camera.
you can take the camera.
Oh.
Yeah, I can take it.
Yeah. No, make sure to get me putting on my shoes.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Oh,
Yeah. All right, we're all ready to go now, huh?
Oh, here, 1 second. Here.
I literally just gave it back to you.
Yeah, no, but would it be like super sick if I like did my intro on top of the car?
No.
Is this for the intro?
Yeah.
Bro, I thought you already did the intro.
No, I have to. Hello. Welcome back to another shitty nature vlogs. I'm your host, recovering neckbeard. Today we're in the beautiful land of Arkanagana, Oregon. It's a really nice trail, and we're gonna be seeing some really nice nature within it all. With me and my two bestest buds. All right, I'm gonna get down. I'm scared.
I zoomed in,
I'm scared.
but then I zoomed out.
I'm scared.
Can we go now?
Do we need to do anything else?
Stunts. We have those on Shitty Nature Vlogs. Hey, do you like my glasses? They're new. They're new glasses.
4 eyes.
The cool thing about this stream here is that it's all natural. Ain't no man in that. That's all Mother Nay. Mother Nay Nay. I'm a troll. This my bridge. I'm a troll. This my bridge.
Oh.
Before we continue on, a lot of people, a lot of longtime fans might say, hey, recovering neckbeard, Shitty Nature Vlogs, isn't this the same place? No, No, we're in Arkanagana, Oregon, which is at least 2 hours from Jackson City, Oregon. So it's just for all the longtime fans. Oh, a lot of people might not know this. You know, you're on your nature walk, and you see a big white thing like this. Well, a lot of people might say this just a tube. Probably some kind of system to keep the creek from the river, the stream from overflowing. But you know, that's not what this old baby is. This is a white tubular worm. Yeah, these babies, they can get up to like a long ways.
No, that shit's too.
There's a bench right there.
No, that's not a bench.
But it's clearly a bench.
No.
What is it then, Sam?
No, recovering. Use my persona. You have to use my persona. No, you have to use my persona. No, it's like really cool. Like I'm a neckbeard, but not really because I'm recovering.
Alright.
You have to use my persona.
Shit, wow.
Alright, run it again.
There's a bench right there, neckbeard.
No, that's not a bench.
What is it then, Nick?
Hey, what's in your bag?
Oh, my bag? Well, when you're a nature vlogger, sometimes you gotta come prepared for a little snack. It's a heel ketchup and mayonnaise sandwich.
Wait, it looks a little dry though.
Yeah, it could use some wet. You know?
Yeah.
It could use some wet. Like maybe if I just
Oh,
Appetizing.
it looks so great now.
I don't think you got enough protein from that bite.
oh my god.
Maybe one more bite.
You gotta finish it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we have a little bit of nature to take home with us.
The great thing about ferns is that they're one of the oldest plant species on Earth.
Oh my god.
So, you know, why don't you write that down?
Did I really just try and... Oh my god, I almost swallowed that shit.
Wait, what's up?
I almost swallowed that shit. But for a video? A shitty nature vlog?
That no one's gonna watch. Does it taste good though?
No. Tasted like ketchup and mayonnaise. Jesus Christ.
Perhaps a little bit like wet veal.
Dude, is this shit off of me?
You got a little bit more.
Let me check. Turn. A little bit less.
Throw me my water bottle. Jesus Christ, man.
Are you okay?
Dude, I just don't get it.
Can we go home now?
Dude, in a second, I need to wash off.
RJ.
Go.
Shitty nature vlogs.
Hey, RJ. What was your favorite thing that we did on the nature vlog?
Oh, there were so many. We saw a pipe. Sam looked at the
Who?
I mean,
Recovering neckbeard, dude.
recovering Negro went to to the and now we get to see him take a bath in nature.
Is this shit off?
No, not yet.
Wait a second. Oh my god.
My favorite part of nature. The beautiful sounds.
Yo, neckbeard. Check out those ferns over there.
Some pretty good birds. Get a close up. Zoom in. It's, you know, and that's the cool thing about this. Yo, on me. The cool thing about that is that's that right there. Go back. Yeah. Good, perfect. That right there is a tarantula. And now we're back on the way home. That's it for us.
Aren't you gonna do your troll joke?
No, I'm not.
I really like that joke.
No. Because I gotta be honest with you. I just want to go home.
Yeah.
But I can see some more nature.
And the nature will be there tomorrow.
I mean, I'm kind of having a good time. We should probably stay longer.
No.
I got another sandwich in my backpack. You cool with that?
No. Oh, God. Alright, cut. Alright, guys, I saw something really cool.
Yeah?
I saw something cool. Here, watch this. So now when I edit it in, it'll look like our feet.
Shitty nature vlogs.
That that's the end of episode 2. I hope you had a great time with all of this. Shitty nature vlogs. Shitty nature vlogs. Shitty nature vlogs.
Shitty nature vlogs.
Shitty nature vlogs. Just remember to like, follow, subscribe if you want to see more of this.
Shitty nature vlogs.
Shitty nature vlogs.
No, did we spook it?
Yeah, we did, but I think it's chilling.
It's right there.
Alright, now watch this. Alright, the cool thing about that's a Jack Daniel antelope. They're very specific to this area in Oregon. You know, they're really cool. You'll love to see them out here, really in the nature. I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer to it. Just, yeah, see how it is. Getting that grass. I'm trying to just get a little closer. He seems pretty okay with people. Deer butt. And it's back to business as usual for this great. What the fuck did I call him?
I don't know.
Jackson.
Jack Daniel's Antelope. Back to business. And you know, I see that. Jesus, I'm gonna throw up. Jesus. I see that as a sign. He's going back to business.
Are we gonna go back to business?
So should we.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think you can still get those. Sorry.
Oh no, it's all good. Can I get one of those?
Yeah.
A large fry.
Large fry.
And then 2 McDiet Cokes.
2 Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Did you want a medium?
Large.
Okay. Anything else for you?
That's it.
Okay, yeah, 5788 first window.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Mom, if you're ever watching this, I'm sorry.